Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese Pepperpot. Alright, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your pepperpot delicious, tasty, just like mine. Alright, and if you guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up. Right, give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and I hope all of my subscribers enjoy the Christmas, right? And everyone enjoy eating all these delicious food that they're planning to make as well. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese Pepperpot. Enjoy. Hi guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese Pepperpot. So the first thing we have here is some all-purpose seasoning. We have some cubes, pork, Cowheel. In here we have some Wiri pepper, clove, cinnamon, orange peel. We have our Cassareep, grated ginger, sugar, grated garlic, and we have our beef here and some fine leaf thyme. Guys, I got all my pepperpot beef from Rossignol Butchery. Alright, I'm gonna put out a video about the butchery, so you guys should check the link in the description box down below for that video. Right, I did a little vlog in the store. So now the first thing you're gonna do is put your Cowheel to pressure. So we'll be back. So I put on my water is hot in there, so I'm gonna put the Cowheel into the pressure pot and let it pressure. Alright, so when I finish pressuring, we're gonna take that out and then we're gonna pressure the beef. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so instead of me waiting until the Cowheel finish pressure to pressure my meat, to pressure my beef, I'm just gonna put it into a pot and let it boil a little bit. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see here, my Cowheel finish pressure and my beef also boil. So I'm going to season up my meat now. So in a bowl, I'm going to put in my pork, beef, and I'm going to season them up. To season our meat, I'm going to put in my cubes, 2 cubes. I'm going to put in my ginger and my garlic. I'm going to mix everything up together. The pork and the beef. So now I'm going to put in my Cassareep. And mix everything up together. We'll be back. Okay, so I just put on my pot, so I'm going to just pour a little oil in it, and then I'm going to put in all of my meat, my beef and my pork. Pour everything in the pot. fry it a bit. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do is put in our cowheel. And you're gonna put in a little bit more cassareep. So for spices, you're gonna put in cinnamon, orange peel, 3 Wiri pepper, and some clove. You're also gonna put in a little bit of sugar. You're gonna mix everything up together. Mix everything up together. Also, you're gonna put in some fine leaf thyme. Right. So now what you gotta do is pour some water in to cover all of the meat. I'm also gonna put in 1 more cube and mix it up. And then you're gonna let everything, you can cover your pot and let everything boil for about an hour. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pepper pot has been boiling for about 45 minutes. So this is how it's looking here. It looks so delicious. Let me just taste it and see if it needs another cube or so. Let me just taste it. Wow, it don't need nothing else. Looking good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover it down back and let it boil for another half an hour. And then I'll show you guys the end result. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pepper pot is finished here. Smells so good guys. It smells so good. So I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese pepper pot. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and you guys don't forget to check out Rossignol Butchery. That's where I got all of my meat from. There's where I shop all my meat from. Alright, so you guys should check them out as well. I did a previous video about them, so I'll leave that link in the description box down below. Alright, so I want to wish all my subscribers Merry Christmas and hope you guys enjoy Christmas and all the best. Alright, so this is my pepper pot. My pepper pot have beef, pork, and cowheel. Alright, so enjoy, take care, bye.